Hello, Ajahn. Today our group is going to present about self-presentation. What is self-presentation? Self-presentation refers to how people attempt to present themselves to control or shape how others see them. It affects expressing oneself and behaving in ways that create a desired impression. Self-presentation is part of a broader set of behavior called impression management. Self-handicap. Self-handicapping can be defined as a self-sabotaging action or choice that prevent people from taking personal responsibility for outcome. It is to protect self-image with behavior that create a handy excuse for later failure.
Next topic, we're gonna talk about strategy self-presentation. Strategy self-presentation are considered and deliberate effort to shape other people's impression in order to gain power, influence, stability, or approval. It can be separated into six topics. Next slide, please. We have self-promotion. Self-promotion conveys or positive information through one behavior or by telling others about one positive essence and accomplishments. Next slide, please. Next, we have exemplification, a strategy for self-presentation that involves including other people to regard one as highly moral, virtuous person whose actions are consistent with positive chart values. This strategy is used to elicit the perception of integrity and moral worthiness while arousing guide and admonition in others. Next, please. Next, we have modesty. Under representing their own positive traits, contribution, or compliments to be humble. Moderating the estimation of one's own ability sometimes seen as a self-deprecation. Next up.
Yeah. Next slide, please. This intimidation. Intimidation is an individual produce fear and gain power by convincing others they are powerful or dangerous. Next slide, please. Supplication. Supplication is a advertise the weakness or dependence, hoping the solicit help for sympathy out of a sense of social obligation. Next slide, please. And the last one is ingratiation. Ingratiation is a psychological technique in which an individual attempts to influence another person by becoming more likable to their target. For example, we try to shape other impressions thoughtfully. It increases the recipient's self-esteem.
Thank, thank you ครับ
Thank you ครับ